Welcome to Emotions and Stories. We all want to be appreciated, but how do we reach there? Let's find out from our today's story, Tigo and Jungle Alarm Clock. In the middle of Whisper Willow Jungle lived Tigo the Tiger, strong, fast, brave, and unbelievably sleepy. Tigo loved sleeping. He slept after breakfast, after lunch, before dinner, after dinner, and sometimes during dinner. Jungle animals joked, if sleeping was an Olympic sport, Tigo will win a gold medal while sleeping. Every morning, the jungle woke up with chirping birds, dancing monkeys, and the rising sun. But Tigo, he woke up at noon. One day, King Rhino Raju made an announcement. Tomorrow is the great jungle cleaning day. Everyone must wake up early and help. All animals nodded, except Tigo, who yawned loudly and said, Early, morning, help. These are scary words. Everyone laughed. That night, the animals discussed how to wake Tigo on time. Mona the monkey suggested using drums. Papu the parrot suggested loud quacking. Ella the elephant suggested a gentle nudge. Sona the snake suggested hissing in his ears. But Tuku the tortoise said slowly, Tigo needs discipline, not noise. The animals agreed. They decided to create something special, the jungle alarm clock. It wasn't an actual clock, but a team. Elephants would trumpet, parrots would scream, monkeys would shake branches, peacocks would dance, even the turtle would tap his tail. It will be impossible for him to ignore, Mona giggled. As the sun rose, the animals gathered with brooms made with leaves and big baskets for fallen fruits. Everyone was ready except Tigo. He was snoring so loudly that the leaves fell from nearby trees. Time to activate the jungle alarm clock, Mona yelled. Elephant trumpeted. Papu the parrot screeched, Wake up! Monkeys jumped on his branch, tut tut tut. Peacocks danced wildly, flapping their feathers. Nothing. Tigo continued snoring. Finally, Tuku the tortoise tapped his tail. Tap, tap, tap. Suddenly, Tigo's eyes flew open. He sprang up like a rocket. Who's poking my royal tiger tail? All the animals burst out laughing. Time to work, Tigo, they shouted. Tigo grumbled. Work in the morning. This is torture. At first, Tigo moved very, very slowly. He kept yawning while sweeping. He slept while picking the leaves. He even dozed off while holding a broom. Monkeys had to poke him every 5 minutes. Come on, Tigo, it's just cleaning, Mona said. Tigo groaned. This is worse than running, worse than climbing, worse than waking up. But as he worked, something strange happened. He noticed birds singing, sunlight sparkling, dewdrops shining, animals laughing and working together. For the first time, he felt good. He stood straighter. He swept faster. He even started humming. At one point, he picked up a huge pile of leaves and shouted proudly, Look, I am the king of cleaning. All the animals clapped. By afternoon, the jungle looked beautiful, clean, bright, and fresh. King Rhino Raju gathered everyone. Thank you, animals. Today the jungle shines because of teamwork. Then he added with a smile, and the most improved worker today is Tigo. Tigo gasped. Me? Because I didn't sleep? Everyone laughed. Mona said, Yes, you worked hard. You didn't give up. Tigo blushed under his fur. For the first time, he felt proud, not for being fast or strong, but for being responsible. The next morning, something unbelievable happened. The sun rose, the birds chirped, and Tigo woke up on his own. He stretched and said, "Morning isn't scary anymore." From that day on, Tigo woke up early, helped others, and became the jungle's most dependable tiger. He still took naps though, but remember, being responsible makes you proud, not tired. When you show up, help others, and do your part, you become a hero in your own jungle. Thank you.